Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another liquid lipstick review on the SNH Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. Now, they were so kind enough to send me their whole entire product line, and I want to say thank you so much for it. I really appreciate it. But anyways, today I'm just going to start off with the lip color because I'm really late for work and my battery is gonna die. So I'm gonna be using the shade Fall. Anything about this liquid lipstick I will let you guys know in my next check-in, and I freaking love it, by the way. Just to let you guys know, like, I've used it like I've used it once and I really liked it that one time. So let's see how it is with a darker lip color. So it's a bit tough to get it out. By the way, SNH Cosmetics is a Singapore own brand. So okay, so I basically applied the lip color off camera because my camera died. Amazing. As you guys can see, it's not that streaky, and like it's just a little bit on the inner corners. Okay, you guys can actually really see it, but in real life I don't really see it. But shit, it looks so good. And can I just say, they feel super duper comfortable on the lips, and I'm just like, yes, bitch. And like, it's not even dry. I'm so freaking impressed. And I think it's like $15 or $13 only. It's super duper cheap. But yeah, I'll use it for the whole entire day. I'm gonna go to work now. Then I'll let you guys know if I need to do any touch-ups. I will let you guys know as well, because I'm doing retail, so I need to like look good. I can't be there with like a weird lip color, you know. So you gotta understand me. By the way, my voice sounds really different. I lost my voice basically. So yeah. So yeah. Currently it's like 2:40 p.m. and I'll see you guys at maybe 11:30. Depends on what time I come back home. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so it's currently 11... Okay, let me show you guys. It is currently 11:28 p.m. I've had this on since about 2:30 p.m. So it's been... You know, the starting of this video was super duper rushed, and I'm so sorry. And I didn't even show you guys when I applied the liquid lipstick because my camera just had to die. Today was like a mess. And I have to say, I am obsessed with the formula. Now, okay, maybe I'm a little bitch, but I always, when I think like, oh, Singapore brands, they, like, you know, like, you have that mentality that, oh, local brands can't do it. Shit, this is like, I mean, it's too soon for me to say anything, but like, it's alongside with JEFFREE Star and ABH. Like, more on JEFFREE Star, like ABH. It's like a bit like cat. Oh my god, it's so good. It's really up there to me. It's so freaking bomb. I love it so much, and the price is not that high. And I think recently also, I think the owner actually reduced the price of the liquid lipstick from $15 to $13, which is just like bomb diggity. Honestly, I am so happy, and I want to say I'm so thankful for them because they sent their whole entire collection down to me, and I just want to say thank you so much. And I also used their glow and spritz, and I freaking love that. Okay, so I'm gonna shift here a bit because I want to let you guys see the picture of how I look like after I ate. So basically, I ate stuffed, and if you guys don't know what stuffed is, like Mexican meets Mediterranean food, and I was eating a quesadilla. And if you guys know, that shit is it's a lot of sauce, and it's very like slippery, slidely, and this is how my face looked like after I eat it. And yeah, as you guys can see, it smudged a little bit underneath my chin, and it was like but I still think it looks so good. And even after my second application, it does not feel dry, which is why I freaking love it so much. It does not feel dry at all. There is a little bit of transfer, but like, it's because, like, you know, the ones that you apply like right up here, and it hits, like, I got the sweat mustache, so when that happens, like, obviously the water will seep into that lip line here. So that's exactly what happens. Okay, so basically I was able to remove that thing and then reapply a second layer. After applying a second layer, it still looked bomb diggity. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see how my lips look like after reapplying it for the second time. Please do not mind the application, as well as like my like spots on my face. I know it's disgusting, but as you guys can see, this outer corner here, like that part, yeah, that part transferred a little bit, I have to say. But of course, it's like obviously it's above my lip line, so maybe it's like the oil and the water just like seep into here and then make it transfer. So I'm gonna go to snhcosmetics.com. Okay, relax. So I am currently at SNH Cosmetics not website, but like their page on Instagram, and I'll have it linked down below. and I'm gonna give you the prices of them. So the lip matte is $13 and it used to be $16. So $13 for a lip matte, which is so bomb. I 100% recommend it. Like, yes bitch. What I recommend is 100%. Like, literally one of the best liquid lipsticks out there in the market. Like, literally she could sell this at Sephora. Like, that's how good the formula is. I like love it so much. And you know what's the best part? It's not sticky. Girl, it's not sticky. I hate sticky liquid lipsticks, and you guys know that for a fact. I hate that. And I love my ABH, I love Jeffree Star, and I love this. This is definitely top 3. Like, it's like, you know, the level of Jeffree Star, ABH, and like, yeah, love that a lot. So yeah, out of 10, I'll probably give it like a 9 out of 10, because like what I said, after I eat, it's much like on my chin. It's just not, it's not a cute look, okay? Even though it was my fault, because I shouldn't be eating like a super duper saucy kind of food, because like it's kind of like cheating, you know, it's not fair. But I mean, after eating that and only smudge on my chin, just very like little, it's like not even that much, that just shows how amazing this liquid lipstick is. I cannot say enough good things about this. I freaking love them, and I 100% recommend it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially my Instagram. I'm super duper active there. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So join the fan bam so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Yes, please. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.